Dear friends, our motto is to speak English. So, why we are not able to speak English? Because in the past, we were always working with writing and reading. Most of the time, our focus was on writing or reading. And actually, we have to do something else instead of writing and reading. Writing and reading is necessary, but at the same time, we have to develop another quality which we need, that is listening and speaking. In order to listen well, first of all, we must know what is actually listening. See, there are two things. One is hearing, the other is listening. We have a tendency to hear things, but not a tendency to listen things. What is listening and what is hearing? Hearing is only hearing. Listening is hearing with attention, hearing with understanding. So when we hear something with understanding, using our intelligence, when we hear something, then it becomes listening. So listening is the first sign of love, we can say. If you are really listening to somebody, actually you love the person. Or the person is free from his grievance because of your proper listening. When you listen well, then half of his problem is over, half of his sorrow is over. The person's sorrow is over because of your patient listening. Patient listening is needed for making the other person free from his sorrow or making the other person happy. You need a patient hearing or patient listening. And patience is actually a companion of wisdom. So you become wise when you have patience. So develop patience and patient hearing and patient listening. Through patient hearing, you can reach patient listening. Through patient listening, you can speak well. So through patient listening, what is happening? You are able to hear well and listen well. The result is your mind is really filled with what you heard, what you listened. And whatever is in your mind now, that is with full understanding. You heard it with understanding. You heard it with attention. You heard it with all your love. With all your love, when you hear something, with all your attention, you hear something. And what is the result? You know it better now. So the proper listening helps a person to speak well because he is able to communicate well because of proper listening. So listening helps one to communicate well. So when listening reaches the higher level, then automatically there will be speaking. Speaking automatically happens. Just like a fruit which is totally ripe is falling from the tree. Why it is falling from the tree? Because the fruit is totally ripe. In the same way, when our thoughts are so ripe, when our feelings are so ripe, when our passions are so ripe, what happens? It comes out. Just like Wordsworth said, poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. When that powerful feelings happen, it comes out as a spontaneous flow. So our language also, our speech also comes out as a spontaneous flow. It comes spontaneously because of our proper hearing, good hearing, or a hearing with empathy. So let us hear with empathy, let us hear with understanding, let us hear with that much attention. The result is proper hearing and proper proper listening enables us to speak well. So speaking is the aftermath of proper listening, and if proper listening is possible, then you can become a good speaker through proper listening. So may God help us to become good listeners. God bless us to become good listeners. So I thank God for enabling me to talk to you about this, and I thank Guru also for enabling me to talk to you about this. So we were talking about listening. Listen well. Thank you very much.